Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search your Google Chrome history by a specific date. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Extensions option. This will expand another menu to the side showing you extension-related features. From this expanded menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install various extensions that enhance your browser's functionality. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the top of the page where you'll find a search bar. In this search bar, type Better History and press Enter. This extension is specifically designed to give you more powerful search and filtering options for your browsing history compared to Chrome's default history viewer. Once the search results appear, locate the Better History extension and click on it to open its detailed page. On the extensions page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to complete the process. The extension will now be installed and ready to use, giving you advanced tools to filter and search through your browsing history. After the installation completes, look at the top right corner of your browser where you'll see the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this icon to see a list of all your installed extensions. From the list that drops down, locate and click on the Better History extension. This will activate the extension and open a new tab with its interface. In the new tab that opens, you'll immediately see a more organized view of your browsing history. You can click on any date from the current week displayed on the screen to view your history for that specific day. This makes it incredibly easy to find websites you visited recently without scrolling through a long, unorganized list. If you need to search for history from a date that's not in the current week, simply click on the calendar picker icon. This will open a full calendar view where you can choose any specific date you want to filter. Just select the date, and Better History will instantly display all the websites you visited on that day. This feature is extremely helpful when you're trying to locate a website you visited weeks or even months ago. And that's it! You now have a much more efficient way to search through your Chrome history by specific dates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.